Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Hi, baby.
Say yay!
We always look at pictures.
We go. Look at Grandpa.
Oh, he's gonna do the
What?
dress.
He wants
I
a
want to
picture.
take a picture of my sweet pipe.
Watch
sweet
your
pea.
head. Look up. Look at Grandpa. Smile. Say cheese.
Okay.
I not got white on.
Yeah, we're gonna put.
Your finger goes in here like this.
Wow.
There you
Oh,
go.
there you go, pumpkin pie.
Whoa.
Wow.
Let's go look in the mirror because you
Yeah.
Go check that out. Boy,
Ready?
you look sweet.
Here, back up.
There you
And
go.
We'll turn on the lights. You ready?
Okay, and look at Lisa.
Quick, quick.
Look up.
Here, let me see it. Yeah.
Turn around,
For Grandpa so you can see your wings.
turn around, pumpkin. Turn around, say cheeseburger. I want to show Bob. Me
Watch
turn.
Grandpa.
There we go.
And pick up my wings.
Look at the camera.
Wow.
You're such a pretty little girl.
Say thank you.
Here, let's
Look. Wow. And you got your fingers in it. How nice.
Say pumpernickel. Nickel. Pumpernickel. Go.
Okay, now we're gonna put what's red.
Put your fingers out.
Yeah. And then we got you. Yeah.
JB, thanks. And by the way, I love how
I'm doing 7-year-old puzzle, and I got these, and this was my first one. And I said it was easy as opening a book. Now I'm gonna find
I
slow. S. This is a tricky
S. You gotta look for the L and the O and the W.
one. Can it be like this way?
No, it only goes across or down.
S. No.
When you look for the S, see if there's an L close by. See, no L. Oh, is there an L?
S L O W.
There you go. Look at that. You found the word slow.
Where was it?
So circle
I
slow.
don't even know where it was.
Oh, you've lost it again? Look for S L O W.
S L O W.
There it is. Circle slow and then cross it off the word up there because we found it. Okay, what's the next word?
New.
New. So let's look for N
E
W. Correct. Wow, you found that one right away. Now, what's the next word?
Old.
Right.
O.
O-L-D. Wow. Okay, now N. Look for an I and an N. I see it. Yup, look at that. Look at how smart you are. What's the last word? Out. So look for
I can go
O.
outside.
Yup. Look for an O, a U, and a T.
O-U.
T.
Oh.
Remember, it can go up and down
Uh-huh.
or across. Look for an O and see if there's a U next to the O.
O-U-T.
You found it. Look at that. Excellent. Go. Them pearly whites.
How we get this food?
A bicycle!
On the case.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hey, Grandpa. Look what it says, happy birthday.
It says